Hello, Assalamualaikum to Year 3 students of SK Sungkai. So today we are going to learn about how to use has and have. Has and have. Okay, good luck.
Standards are 3.2.2 Understand specific information and details of short, simple text. The success criteria are pupils can use has and have in sentences correctly. Teacher harap murid akan menonton video ni dan dapat menggunakan has dan have secara betul. Pupils will be able to complete 6 sentences. Nanti di dalam worksheet yang diberikan, teacher harap murid dapat menyiapkan 6 soalan. Okay, good luck.
For he and she, he dia lelaki, she dia perempuan. So he and she ada seorang. That one we call singular. So when we want to use dia ada, for boys, for lelaki we said he has, and for girls we said she has. Dia ada lelaki, dia ada untuk perempuan. So if we want to say she has 2 books, she has 2 books. And for boys we said he has 2 books. Because I am special, we have to use it as have. Saya ada, kita guna I have, H-A-V-E. I have. I have 2 apples. I have 2 apples. Now, how about you? Awak. You, awak. You, plural. We use you as plural. Maksudnya you mungkin satu, awak seorang, ataupun you, awak ramai. So we use you have. You have 3 cats. You have 3 cats. Awak ada 3 ekor kucing. Awak semua ada 3 ekor kucing. We ialah kita or kami. Maksudnya lebih daripada seorang, more than one. So that's why we ialah plural, lebih daripada seorang. Jadi bila plural we are going to use have. Have. Jadi sebutan dia ialah we have 3 bears. We have 3 bears. Kami ada 3 ekor beruang. We have 3 bears. Okay.
Okay, just for reminder, he and she ialah singular. Okay, he and she ialah singular. Maksudnya seorang, dia akan guna has. Tapi kalau kita guna kata ganti nama, contohnya Abu pun masih guna has. Sebab Abu ialah seorang. So, Abu has 10 apples. Kalau kita guna a student, okay, seorang budak, dia akan jadi has. Now, when we use I, saya, you, awak, we, kita, they, mereka akan guna have. Kalau kita tukarkan Abu and Siti. Okey. Ini maksudnya dua orang. Bila dua orang, kita guna have. Dan juga bila guna the students. Okey, the students. Bila letak S dekat belakang dia, maksudnya ramai. Bila ramai, kita guna have. Tengok perbezaan di sini. Okey. Di sini tiada S. Maksudnya seorang. Bila ada S, dia jadi ramai. Okey. Jadi, teacher harap awak boleh guna semua ni untuk jawab soalan. Good luck.
So that's it. We have used I, you, we, they. Itu ialah semua plural. Jadi kita guna have. Jadi kita guna have. H-A-V-E. So good luck for your work. Send it to me after Hari Raya Cina. Bye.